This is 3 meter by 2 meter uh, bed space, effecting cutting, CNC, plasma and XPL machine. Here you can see everything including the grid and bed all are prefab by the manufacturer. This is the best part for us and we should not prepare anything here. And we have here the controller. This is the ordinary controller for almost this kind of machine. You can see here CN cut 10A. You can see here the cable tray. The cable tray is very beautiful, and this is the x-axis. You can see here, including here this the z-axis. So the oxyfuel torch is mounted here by manufacturer, and we can add the plasma torch here is the additional here. So this is single head and double single head, two type cutting like plasma and oxyfuel. And we have here the solenoid valve controller is the very precising gas control by the machine. And from the rear view you can see here this is we have this x-axis cable tray here. This is the x-axis cable tray, and another we have here two servo motor for the y-axis. You can see the one servo motor is here, uh, and another the y1 and y2. This is the y1 servo motor and y2 servo motor is there, and here is a x servo motor is here. This is mini servo from the Panasonic by the Panasonic, and this is a very good servo motor. We had used this motor in many other machines, and it's effective, very precising motor. So that's everything. I'm going to on the machine now, and I'll show you some demonstration here, like normal movement and general setting of the parameter. This is the rear view of the cabinet. Here we have some connector here. These are the all IO connection are here. Like here is a 3 cable. These 3 cable are for the encoder from motor, and these are going to servo drive. And we have here 3, 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 servo motor cable, motor cable, power cable, and we have some another IO cable are here. This is like here is some limit switch, and also it's a trigger, and we have here one empty point. This is for the voltage divider. This connector is going to voltage divider to detect the arc voltage here. And power cable is general purpose. Power cable is the general cable. Also is a 13 ampere power socket is here. So one more things, I'm going to open the cover here inside, and you can see this is a very beautiful view of this IO control board. And we have here remote control receiver device, and another this PCB is the output voltage trigger PCB for the solenoid and torch up down. And we have here logic board also, and we have one 24-volt power supply for operation, general operation. And we can see here the is the Panasonic servo drive are here. 3 of the Panasonic servo drive. These are the very beautiful and accuracy. This Panasonic servo drive are here. And for the protection mode we have one breaker also is here, and this is the rear view of the controller. You can see, and we have the fastcom software is included with the machine, and user manual equipped inside the machine. So these are everything of the panel what we can see here inside, and we have here all the data of the machine here. Now I'm going to on the power by this breaker on. I make on the breaker here, and we can see some display are here on the machine. So this is the program version, and some file booting option are here on the first time. And you can see this is the first menu, first page of the machine, and just we have to press any of the button from here, then machine will go to the general auto mode. You can see here now the machine is loaded. So I'll show you some feature of the machine here. So this here is some drawing are loaded, preloaded. This drawing I load for previous some test procedure. And this machine, especially of the controller, I will show you now the main feature of the some setting and parameter which is the from the manufacturer. So this is the setup. I will go here, and you can see this is the common setup here. It's a flame mode. You can see here the mode flame, plasma, mark or system, and another different type of the menu. This is the flame menu, and I can see here some parameter. And this I'll go to the plasma menu. You can see these are the plasma parameter here. So this is the factory parameter, so this will be used for the next procedure. So I will show by the first one here, the common parameter. These are the common parameter. You can see the whatever parameter are here, like maximum cutting, manual move speed, go speed, and demo back speed, mark speed, cap value, corner speed, and demo round speed, and cutting type. The plasma parameter same like this, and marker parameter same like this. And the important thing is the system. For the system you have to enter. You can see this is the system parameter. These are the very important, especially here you can see the motor. Now motor tuning parameter is the vertical and horizontal motor pulse. This is the very important for this pulse per minute. So this is very important things we have to set for the motor tuning. And another, the maximum and minimum limitation of the parameter are here. So that's everything. And import, we can import the parameter to the hard disk or USB, and also we can export the parameter from the to the USB, or we can import from the USB or some of the external source. This is also the parameter. So to finish the parameter, we have to save the parameter here. So by the way, I don't have changed anything, so I'm going to escape the this menu, and we can go to the main option here again. So this is the manual jog button. Here we can see the jog button. So I'll just move the machine as per by pressing the jog button here. So you can see here the jog type here. You can see here the jog type is the step mode. So this is the we can change from here, like F button. You can see here continue mode now. So this is the continue mode. So once I press the button, the machine will start to move from there. I'll press the button now, and we'll see the machine will start to move from there. So this is the y-axis movement. So this is 5000 mm per minute speed. I set it for the manual mode. You can see this is the 5000 mm, and we have here limit switch. You can see here the limit. So he hit the limit here, then he stopped, and also he show us the limit